Welcome everyone, my name is Cosmos and we're bringing you the chicken sando review from McDonald's. We just ordered the sandos, took a lot of dabs, and now we're going to get this food kind of worked out here.
I can't believe we're doing this right now.
This is the side crispy chicken sando right here. This is the deluxe crispy chicken for you.
You should pull the tomatoes off.
Yes, it should.
What a mayo.
They only... Oh.
A little extra, yeah.
Okay, hold up.
Okay. Is this my high C?
Yes. Here we go. We're gonna have to move these.
Whoa, I didn't know orange high C was carbonated.
Oh, shit. Okay. Is it okay if I... Oh, here, I'm just...
What? Is this like Mandela effect?
Oh, I see. They added the 3 extra on top.
Did they put Sprite in here to make it bomb as fuck? Or...
Okay, here you go.
Okay. Oh. Can you close it?
Of course.
I don't have hands
I
either.
realized that was really tricky. Okay. Now...
The one you got was a juice. I think they put Sprite in here and it's so good. Because it's carbonated. Taste of it.
It's definitely carbonated. Oh yeah, that's how I remember it being.
What?
Okay,
No.
here's the spicy.
High C used to be juice.
Here's the spicy chicken sando.
I've never had High C with carbonation unless I put it with Sprite. High C is normally juice, right? Cosmos is saying he's never had it without carbonation. Oh my gosh, it's the Mandela effect.
Nice. Okay, perfect.
They might have given me orange soda by accident. I don't know. It tastes like High C.
That's I see.
It tastes like High C. Well,
You want sweet and sour sauce?
maybe.
Okay.
You might be right.
And then the sweet and sours are the green ones on top.
Thanks.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Peace.
You want some more fries?
That's okay.
Okay, well, there's more. Alright, y'all. Now, let's see what we got going here. We got an apple pie for later. We're gonna have to pull out the fries right now. Oh, I'm so hungry. I need some fries. Oh. Yo. Let me give us some stale-ass fries. Like, they must have made these fries a couple hours ago, because we ordered it, and it got here within 15 minutes. And these fries taste like they're at least an hour old. That's McDonald's for you. Okay. Moving on. I got 2 large fries because I'm fucking lit and hungry, yo. Okay. Now, we have a lot of extra ketchup, some extra ranch in here. We'll keep these ketchups for later, in case we, like, go camping or some shit, I guess. And then, oh shit, hold up, I forgot, I need to keep the music off. Hold on. I'll turn the music off so I don't get DMCA'd whenever we post this on the tube. Typical McDonald's indeed. Shit happens. What you gonna do about it? Okay, so we've got the spicy chicken sando right here. Coming out. Okay. How's it looking? Okay. Yeah, we got some lettuce on there. We got some spicy mayo. It looks like a nice slab of chicken right there. It's not bad looking. Okay, we got a little blop on the bottom. Okay. Okay. And then here we have the crispy chicken right here. Now, this one, oh fuck, there's no lettuce, but we just have 2 pickles. 2? Is the 3rd pickle on the other side? No. Okay. Come on. Come on. That has got to be the saddest sandwich I've ever seen in my life right here. This is like a McChicken. This is a glorified McChicken here for like 5 times the price is what this is. You got hella pickles? Word! Okay, we're gonna put the tomatoes on this one. Because I feel like the spicy one is best left with just the lettuce, you know? And we'll put the pickles on this bee. Okay. They're fat, though. They definitely are pretty fat. Okay, let's try a bite. Let's see if it tastes significantly better than the McChicken, though. Because I had a lot of McChickens in high school. I remember those. I mean, what is this? Why is it wet? Where did this wetness come from? Is that juicy? Might be the tomato. Oh, it's the tomato that was right on top, maybe. Okay. I'm not really sure how I feel about this one. I'm not going to lie. I'm going to set it down and just eat some fries right here to just kind of cleanse my palate. I'm really not sure how I feel about that one. I mean, even with the fries being old, I could eat just so many of them. Okay. So, oh, thank you, Casper. The day is definitely lit so far, Stinky, no doubt. Yeah, I need more of that. I need to drink more of this. Unsweetened iced tea right here. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. Okay. So. I have a feeling the spicy one's going to be a lot better. Let's see. Let's give it a try here. Seeing the best angle to try this from. I think right here is going to have the most sauce to chicken ratio. Yeah. It's pretty good. The spicy one is much, much better. The regular one is mids. The spicy one. This one's good. The regular one, this one sucks. This one kind of sucks. But this is good. I'm going to eat this whole thing. I'm going to eat this.
To me, I thought the regular chicken sandwich was better.
Like the McChicken?
Yeah.
The spicy one? The spicy one's actually really good. You should try a bite of the spicy one. You said I missed the fresh buns.
I don't know. Okay.
Try and get some pickle in there too if you can.
Okay.
Yeah, right? Much better than the other one, right? Yeah. Yeah. Zenna had the regular one. Zenna had the regular deluxe. So she had the one. She had this one right here, except it came with lettuce and tomato on it. This one I put tomato on it from hers because we ordered extra tomato. This one right here, this is just like, I don't know exactly what this is. I actually don't even feel like this is fully chicken. It might be, but I feel like this is like has to be some chicken and like filler meat by some type of fish, is what I feel like it is. I really don't feel like it's fully chicken. It might be though. It might be, but. This one, honestly, is just way better. It's way better. It might be fully chicken, but I don't know. I don't know if I trust them. know if I trust him. You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry, I kind of eat a little sloppy, but there's not any other way to eat fries. Imagine eating fries one at a time. Chicken and flour. Mm-hmm. Oh my god. Fries are a million times better eaten a handful at a time. Oh, okay, Dan. Okay. Oh, I've definitely had that happen before. I got a whole pickle. I want a whole pickle with one bite. I need to distribute that. Get back in there, you little pickle. This is some soggy lettuce right here. Let's get rid of that. That is not crispy lettuce. That is some sad lettuce. Lettuce is supposed to give you that crisp. But it's okay, it's okay. This one is much better. The spicy one, I actually give the spicy one like a solid 7 out of 10. It's a little bit, bun's a little soggy, you know, but I mean, I did get it delivered, so. Seven out of 10 for fast food. This is a spicy chicken sandwich from McDonald's. The regular one. Regular chicken sandwich from McDonald's. 3 out of 10. 3 out of 10. Probably. It's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. Look at this. The crispy one though. The crispy one. This one, I don't eat McDonald's that often. But I would eat this crispy one again. If I was like in a pinch on a road trip and I was like gotta go to McDonald's, I would actually order this crispy one again. It was it's good. This one's actually good. I actually do like this one. I feel really bad because I don't really want to eat this other one now. It's just so gross. Put some fries on it. That's what I normally do. I normally put fries on the on my things from McDonald's, but I didn't this time because I didn't want to wreck the integrity of it. I guess you know what I'm saying. So, yeah. How much does a double cheese cost? Like a double cheeseburger? I'm not really sure. I don't really order burgers from McDonald's. I wonder. I could check. They are stinky. They are definitely very unhealthy. But they're so delicious. Mm. $1.30 in Norway? Oh, wow. Yo, I wonder how's like the meat in Norway for McDonald's? In New Zealand, all the fucking like the meat was local New Zealand meat that was free range grass fed because they don't really have meat that's made not free range grass fed. That's all they have. So when you go to McDonald's and you order a burger, it's free range grass fed. We use local free range grass fed. Yeah. No, same like New Zealand. Yeah. That's awesome. I love how some countries are like that. They're like, why would we import meat that costs a lot? We just use our own meat. I prefer that. America does suck. It's like that's one of the biggest things with America is like America is so like in your face with America being number one that you really have to like step out of America and really see outside of everything to realize that America is nowhere near number one in really anything. Yeah. Mm-hmm. A double cheeseburger being $5.30 for just a double cheeseburger? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. In the US, a double cheeseburger, yeah, would be around like $1.70 to $2.40. So that's over twice as expensive. That's crazy. That's crazy, Queen. Oh. Oops. I'm gonna have hella fries on the floor after this. Yep, exactly. Hey, Cannabis and Crypto. Much love for the follow. Appreciate you. $2 for a double cheeseburger? Yeah, I think so. I think some places. I don't know exactly where, but yeah. Dan definitely knows his stuff. He used to work in fast food, so let's talk about some experience here. There's a new McChicken. I mean, it's kind of like a McChicken. It's their new chicken sandwiches. The regular one right here, honestly, I don't even think I can eat the rest of this. It's just without. I think it would need like lettuce and stuff, and I mean, even then, I don't know. It's just kind of soggy. The crispy one is fire. How you doing, babe? Good. Have a special sauce. The spicy one definitely does have some type of special sauce on it. I don't know exactly what type of sauce. It was like some type of spicy sauce. I can't remember exactly what it was. It was on the website when I was ordering it. What? How does that make any sense? How's the crunch on the chicken? On the outside where the sauce didn't get to the chicken, you know, it's decently crispy, but like slightly saturated in oil as well, but you know, the bottom side especially gets a little bit of a crispy tap to it, but not like... It's like, see, when you go like this, it more like sponges rather than like... You know, like a really, really good crispy chicken will, instead of like kind of like sponging like this, whenever you pinch it, it'll like give you it'll give you a little bit of a force back, and then it'll snap, you know? I think that maybe is a little bit of a difference here between this and some like really good fucking fried chicken, you know what I'm saying? So there's more resistance with like a good fried chicken, so for sure. Too much cheese and grease. Mmm. That makes sense. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I really just ate the fries.
You really just ate, you didn't eat the sandwich?
Only a little bit.
You want another bite of this crispy one?
No.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Okay, I don't think I'm going to be able to eat quite all of it. Mm-hmm. 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 The spicy one's actually good. I am pretty full though. I don't know if I'm going to be able to finish it. Do you want some more fries? Okay. I got extra fries and I do have a little bit extra of this crispy one, babe. I'm just going to stuff my face with some fries really quick, everyone. Don't mind me. Just give me a sec. Mmm. I bet that was dank. How are you supposed to prepare mozzarella sticks? How's the sandwich? They baked them? Aw, get out of here. You need to deep fry mozzarella sticks. Just can't fry them for too long, of course. So how's the sandwich? Alright, so we're going to give you the lowdown here. The normal crispy chicken sandwich from McDonald's was poop. I gave it a 2 out of 10 or 3 out of 10. I think 3 out of 10. Just really not that great at all. The crispy one, the new crispy one, as you can tell via how much I have eaten of it, it is actually pretty solid. And I gave it a 7 out of 10 for the fast food rating. Of course, you know, this is nowhere near like gourmet or anything like that. But for McDonald's, the spicy, crispy chicken sandwich, this is pretty good. This is pretty decent. So, I gave it fast food 7 out of 10. The fries, though, this order, they gave us some weak fries. Some weak fries. Which actually, this fucking McDonald's is known every single time I've gone there and I didn't ask them specifically for fresh fries. They have given me some weak ass fries. These are like an hour old or something. I can just tell based on the taste. I'm not eat them though, because I'm hungry. As fuck. But not old. They weren't even hot when they got here, and it was literally 15 minutes from the time we placed our order till it got here. Like, that means they served us some cold fries. They were already cold by the time they... I'm sure by the time that our driver picked up the food, the fries were already ice cold. I'm sure. But it's okay. I'm just giving a review right here. I'm clipping all of this right here for a YouTube video. So I'm just giving everyone like a straight up review about it. You know what I'm saying? I'm a straight up person. I'm being straight up about the review and all this shenanigans. So that's where we're at. I'm still going to eat these fries because I'm a hungry man. And I smoked a lot of dabs before this. And we're going to take a nice chunky dab after we finish eating. But yeah. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. To only use sativas at work? Yeah. I mean, yeah. I'd be lit if I worked at McDonald's, too. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm. Mm. Okay. I think I'm going to save some Fuck, I still have an apple pie. I don't even know if I'm going to eat that right now. Maybe I'll just save it for later and air fry it. Be good. Mm. 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 I ate like 1.5 large fries. I can't eat any more of this. Oh, I think if I ate another bite, I'd be too full. I'm gonna see if Zana wants it. Hold on. Oh, I'm back. I'm back. Alright. She didn't want it. Now I like kind of want to eat it so it doesn't go to waste. But I feel like if I eat it, am I going to be too high? No, I mean too full? Fuck. I'm definitely high, that's for sure. I didn't even eat edibles earlier. I feel like I ate edibles. I feel like I did, but I guess we just took some good dabs.
Bet you didn't expect that, son.
Yo, what's good? Blaze coming in with the raid. Yo, Shark, thank you so damn much for the raid. Hey, that was perfect timing, y'all. Perfect timing. Welcome, everyone. Hope the day is fucking lit. Yo, can we get a shout out in the chat for Shark, please? Mr. Stinky. I would do it, but my hands are all greasy. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I was eating some of the McDonald's chicken sandwiches here. We've been doing a little bit of a review here. I think it's about time for me to wrap it up. I'm pretty fucking full. I'm not gonna lie. I should just stop here while I'm ahead before I get too full. So, yeah. Shark, thank you so damn much. You're a fucking G. Let's get a dab going. Seriously, let's get a dab. Oh, and really quick, for everyone that is just popping over from the raid, let me tell y'all what I think about these chicken sandwiches, okay? The new crispy chicken sandwich from McDonald's, the regular one right here, I ate 2 or 3 bites of, and I thought it was honestly terrible. I gave it 2 out of 10, and it was disgusting. The spicy crispy chicken sandwich, this one was better, and just overall, just so much better, and I gave it a 7 out of 10 for fast food only, just for fast food. You know, like for as far as good food, it's not good food. Y'all know that. I know that. You know that. Let's dab. There we go. Food review. If any of y'all are curious if it's worth buying, overall, nah. Nah, I wouldn't say so. I would not say so. So, yeah.